Dividend investing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Imagine starting your portfolio with just $50, small steps that can lead to consistent passive income over time. In this video, we'll show you how to make that first step and set the foundation for financial growth through dividends. To start, let's first understand what a dividend is. Dividends are payouts companies make to their shareholders from their profits. Large, stable companies often use these to reward investors, turning your investment into a reliable income stream, even when stock prices fluctuate. Now, can someone really start investing in dividend stocks with just $50? Yes, thanks to fractional shares. With today's investing apps, you can buy small portions of expensive stocks. This means no barriers, no big budgets, just you, your $50, and an investment mindset. Choosing the right dividend stocks is key. Look for companies with a proven history of consistent payouts and strong financial health. Stable industries like utilities or consumer staples can be good starting points, especially for beginners aiming to balance risk and reward. Once you've chosen a stock, the next step is to use automatic reinvestment. Many brokerage apps today offer a feature called DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plans. This means every earned dividend is immediately reinvested into more shares, compounding your growth effortlessly. Over time, small investments grow. An initial $50, when combined with reinvested dividends, can snowball into a significant future portfolio. The secret lies in regular contributions and patience. Building wealth this way requires discipline, but offers long-term rewards you can count on. It's normal to feel unsure about making your first investment, but the stock market rewards beginners who start and stay consistent. Begin with what you have, learn through experience, and adjust along the way. It's like planting a seed today to enjoy tall trees later. The power of dividend investing isn't limited to experts or Wall Street elites. Even with $50, you're taking a step into building passive income. Remember, what matters isn't the amount you start with, but how consistently you nurture and grow your portfolio. So take the leap and start your dividend investing journey today. Small, consistent contributions can truly add up. You'd be surprised by how accessible financial growth is when you just begin. With just $50, you've already set the course toward a brighter, more stable financial future. Want to unlock more investing insights and tips? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for simple, actionable tutorials like this one. Dividend investing is just the beginning of your financial journey. Let's keep building together, one smart step at a time. Thanks for watching.